Hey guys, the Aviation Experts here, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and review of the Singapore Airlines A380 at a 1:500 scale. This model was purchased on flight SQ245, which is an A330 service from Singapore to Brisbane. It was purchased on the 17th of August 2014. Okay, so going in, this is having a look at the outside of the box. This is the front of it with a picture of the Singapore Airlines A380, the Singapore Airlines logo, the scale, and the model aircraft. Okay, flipping it around, over here we have the technical data of the actual aircraft in real life. Moving to the side here, we have the Singapore Airlines logo. Moving back towards here, we can see Singapore Airlines Airbus A380, a true to scale die-cast collector's model. Okay, this model has been crafted by Herpa wings, and we have the website, contact number, addresses, and that sort of stuff there. Small scale and lifelike model for adult collectors, not suitable for children under 14 years. Okay, so flipping to the bottom, over here we have the same words as you saw on the back there, and other side is the same except without the picture. The top same with picture, and other side the same without the picture. So putting this back down, we'll now take the plane out of the box. So from the side, pull out the flap and slide it open. Okay, so straight away out of the box we have the model aircraft itself. Now opening this, just sliding this out, we have the base for the aircraft, I believe. Yeah, okay, I believe that is the base for the aircraft. Get that in. I'll open this up for you guys. Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay, so this is the base of it. This isn't die-cast, so it isn't metal and all, but it is plastic. So you just slip that in there. And to the side, it's hard to see on the camera itself, but on the side, very friendly, you can see a Singapore Airlines logo. Yeah, just very friendly there. On the other side there's nothing, so yeah, that there is the stand for the aircraft. Moving that aside, we'll bring the plane back. We'll take the top off it. Oh, jeez. Okay, it's there, sticky tape. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, opening that up here, we have a little piece of plastic junk there. Bring that out. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. Here is the plane itself. So, moving that to the side, yeah, there's the plane. We'll take having a closer look at the aircraft now. We can see the front of the plane, and over here, which isn't very clear, it is the Star Alliance logo. Up the front you can see the front landing gear there, and moving on to where the Singapore Airlines logo is, you can see all the windows and stuff there. Moving on towards the back, we can see the Singapore flag, back wings, the tail, and yeah, there's no registration on this plane or on the box, so yeah, just pointing that out. Underneath the aircraft we have the back landing gear, and then the front landing gear there. We have our engines and the wings. Okay, so one last look of the airplane. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and other plane spotting videos and flight reviews and reports. So yeah, be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, share this out to all your friends. So we'll see you next time.